We've got a solid chunk of aluminium. We've been given dimensions. We don't know the height. We're told it's a cylinder, and we're told its mass, and we're told that the density of aluminium is 0.0027 kilograms per centimetre cubed. Okay, calculate the value of H, correct to 1 dp. Right, so what can we say? Well, remember the density formula. Density formula is actually given by this unit. D is equal to the kilograms on the top, so this is the mass, divided by the volume. So let's first of all work out the volume is equal to, the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared multiplied by h. So in this case, this is equal to pi multiplied by 100 multiplied by h. So we can plug our values into this equation. So I can say that 0.0027 is equal to the mass, which is 5.4, divided by the volume, which is 100 pi h. So moving things around quite a lot, this lot comes up here, multiplies by the 0.27, so I get 0.0027 multiplied by 100 multiplied by pi h is equal to 5.4. Therefore, h is equal to 5.4 divided by this lot. And if you pop that into a calculator, you get that h is 6.3661, and that goes on, which is equal to 6.421 dp as they require. And that is your answer.